Have your succulent leaves started turning yellow and you can't figure out why? It might look harmless at first, but don't be fooled. This could be the first warning sign of something serious. From root rot to pests silently eating your plant from the inside out. We're diving into the real reasons your succulents are struggling and exactly what you need to do to save them. Let's start with the biggest culprit, overwatering. Succulents like jade plant or echeveria don't enjoy sitting in soggy soil. When their roots drown, they rot, and that rot slowly travels up to the leaves, making them soft, mushy, and yellow. To fix this, only water when the soil is bone dry. Water deeply, but let it drain completely. Never let your pot sit in a puddle. Your plant isn't a fish. On the flip side, underwatering can do damage too. If you see your aloe or zebra plant with shivered yellowing leaves, it's crying out for a drink. Water thoroughly when the soil is dry, making sure moisture reaches the roots. A consistent schedule, not frequent but deep, is the key to a thriving succulent. If your burro's tail or panda plant isn't getting enough light, it might start stretching toward the window and losing its color. Yellow leaves and leggy growth are telltale signs. Move it to a bright spot. 6 hours of sunlight is ideal. South-facing windows are great. Or use a grow light if needed. But watch out, too much sun can scorch the leaves, especially during peak afternoon hours. If you see pale yellow or white patches, it's sunburn. Move it to indirect light or filter the sunlight with a sheer curtain to protect it. Was your succulent like hens and chicks left out in the cold? That could be the problem. Temperatures below 40 degrees can damage the cells in the leaves, turning them yellow and mushy. Bring them indoors immediately. Keep them in a room between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit and away from cold drafts. Let them dry out before watering again and give them time to bounce back. Don't rule out a pest invasion. Yes, even indoors. Tiny sap-sucking insects like mealybugs, spider mites, or scale can drain your succulent's health from within, turning the leaves yellow and weak. Check closely under leaves and around the stem. If you spot them, isolate the plant and treat with neem oil or insecticidal soap. If you're using regular potting soil for your succulent, that's a mistake. Succulents like string of pearls or echeveria need fast-draining soil. Moisture-retaining soil suffocates the roots and causes yellowing. Switch to a cactus mix, or make your own with potting soil, perlite, and sand. And don't forget, your pot must have drainage holes. While succulents are low maintenance, they're not no maintenance. If your Haworthia or kalanchoe is pale yellow with weak growth, it might be lacking nutrients, especially nitrogen. Feed them with a diluted balanced fertilizer during spring and summer. Use one made for cacti and succulents to avoid overdoing it. Sometimes yellowing isn't a sign of trouble, it's just a part of the plant's life cycle. The older leaves at the base of succulents like the snake plant naturally yellow and die off as new growth emerges. Just remove them gently to keep your plant tidy. No need to panic here. Yellow leaves are your succulent's way of sounding the alarm, so don't ignore them. Now that you know what to look for and how to act, you can save your plant before it's too late. If this helped you decode your plant's cry for help, hit the like button, subscribe for more plant-saving tips, and share this with a fellow plant parent in distress.